Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I have an event tonight. My brother has a football award ceremony, so I'm getting my tan on, and I actually kind of want to do like a cute little spring formally event makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. My hair is up, it's drying, and it's turban, so I figured this is gonna be the perfect time to apply makeup. I've already done my skincare regimen. Ignore this pimple straight from the depths of hell on my face right now. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna go wet my beauty blender and we will get started. If anyone calls out the fact that I'm missing my ring, it's because I have self-tanner on, and I don't want to get self-tanner all over my ring. Just saying. All right, let me wet my beauty sponge and we will be back to get started. Okay, so this is going to be a little difficult. So I have to let this sit on my body for an hour. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyebrows and my actual eye makeup, and then go in and do my foundation after I rinse my body. But I will go ahead and like list down below all the products I use on my face in the description box. And I'll post and I'll add some pictures. And I'll probably do like a quick little recap. But I do want to use my blood sugar palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And for brows, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows real quick, and I will be back in 2 seconds. I want this look to be sharp AF. I'm going to take some tape, and I'm going to put that from the end of my lash so that I know things are the end of my brow all the way down, so that I know things are even. And I'm just using like medical tape, so it's not gonna like irritate my skin or anything like that. I'm gonna press that in right here very well. Alrighty, so let me get my towel. Now I'm gonna go in. I have the Farrah eyeshadow brushes, and I'm gonna go ahead and use these to do my eye look today. I want fresh, new, unmessed with brushes. So this is a 3SE tapered blending brush from the Farrah brush collection that I think I got in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I think. And we're gonna go into our blood sugar palette. And I'm going to start with Tongue Pop. Not my normal transition shade, but this is not going to be a normal look. And I'm going to pop that straight into my crease and just really take the time to blend. Okay, so now that I have taken the time to thoroughly blend this in, I'm going to go in with a 3 Mini. It is also a tapered blending brush. By the way, this is the first time I'm ever using this brush collection. Probably not the best day to do it, but I haven't cleaned my brushes yet this week. So, yeah. All right, so I'm going to go into Prick. That bright, bright red. I'm just going to thoroughly coat this brush. I'm gonna go straight into my crease. Now I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and blend these two colors together. Going back in with the 3 mini, I'm gonna go into fresh meat right here. And then I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and melt those colors together. All right, now I'm gonna go back in with the 3 mini, and I'm gonna go into Coma. And I'm gonna pop that literally just on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna take this short shading brush and I'm gonna go into Extraction. But I'm gonna very lightly go into Extraction and I'm gonna blend Coma into that red. Okay. Now, using a 205 brush called Fly Wings. I guess it's because it's like a fly wing. I don't know. I'm gonna go into, oh my. I'm gonna go into Blood Sugar. Gorgeous color. Then I'm gonna take some setting spray. And I'm gonna pat that right on the center of my lid. Clean off the brush, and now I'm gonna go into Sweetener. Spritz my brush again. I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my lid. Now I'm gonna wipe that brush off and just lightly, starting at Sweetener, melt it into Blood Sugar. I'm going to use the Ico Black Magic Liner, leaving the tape on, mind you. Great. So it's not like a super thin wing because I am going for a pretty dramatic look. I did want a nice thick wing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and work on my lower lash line. I'm going to clean off that short shader brush. And I'm actually going to start with Sugarcane. I'm going to pop that on my lower lash line because keep in mind I have no foundation on right now. All right, next I'm gonna actually go into Cherry Soda. I'm gonna take an angled brush and I'm gonna go into Coma. And I'm gonna get that as close to my lower lash line as possible. Now I'm going to go back in with that short shader and blend those all together. Okay, so I'm going to go rinse my tan off because it is a 1 hour express tanning. And then I will be back to finish a foundation and I will do a quick little check-in with everything. So we are back. I went ahead, I finished my face. I used my Anastasia bronzer. I darkened up my foundation. It matches almost perfectly. So now I popped some candy floss on the inner corners of my eye. It's a nice, pretty pale bright pink. Popped on some Tarte Lights Camera lashes. Jeffree Star Mannequin lipstick. I went over it with Glamour Dolls Sweet Treats lip gloss. Blush, I used a Laura Geller like baked blush, and then I went over my highlight. I went through and I highlighted with my Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. I will say this look came out nicely. It goes gorgeously with my little orangish reddish dress. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my brother's event. I wanted to do these colors because his school color is maroon, so I kind of wanted to somewhat match the school colors. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I had enjoyed filming it. And what do we think of me being like tan? I don't know how I feel. I'm not used to being tan. I'm used to being pasty. But I feel very glamorous and fancy. I kind of like it. I do kind of like it, but I'm kind of nervous about the upkeep that is gonna go along with it. So that is all for today's video. I'm gonna go finish my hair and get going to my brother's event. I will see you guys next time. Bye.